कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि यू नो द बेटर डिजाइन बट बिकॉज ऑफ द सीनियर आपने नहीं बोला, आप चुप थे और आपने कॉम्प्रोमाइज किया कि ठीक है जो सीनियर बोले चला।
प्राइवेट में भी होता था, सरकारी में भी होता है बट जनरली
What was the difference in your portfolio to the other people who were going to the private sector and you were planning to go to the government?
I graduated in 1982 and for 7 years I worked in private. So I thought it's better, I should.
हमारे जो बच्चे हैं मैं हमें एजुकेटेड सो वो अभी फोकस नहीं कर पा रहे कि आर्किटेक्चर के बाद कहाँ जाना है. दे आर लुकिंग फॉर मेनी ऑप्शंस सो दैट दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि ये वाला बेटर है, ये वाला बेटर है.
If you are making a corporation drawing,
What was the nature of your projects and the scale of your projects? How you started?
nature is varied.
Uh-huh.
Because as I said, CPWD is a premier organization and serving all the departments.
In private practices, what happens is architect ने design कर दिया and sometimes what clients कर रहे हैं कि वो अपने हिसाब से change कर लेते हैं कि आप बस बना दो plan ना, फिर हम देख लेंगे, approve करा दो, बस ये करा दो. Is it also happens in the government?
आजकल के clients are very well traveled, so it is not like.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my podcast. I Avitesh welcome you all for the episode 2 season 1 where I'm talking to the women who are serving the different fields as a profession. Today we have Dr. Sonia Mehta with us and she is retired chief architect from CPWD, Government of India. She has been awarded many times from the department. And in her 40 years of career, she was jury member, and the big thing is that she has done her PhD. I'm so happy to welcome her. Welcome, ma'am. How are you feeling?
Oh, so good. So good to be with you, Avitesh. Thanks for calling me to your podcast. It's really lovely that I'm going to share, my experiences, 40 years of experiences with everyone. I would really love to. So we can go ahead.
Okay, so as I started that you were in the CPWD, so first thing I would like to ask is how one person who did the architecture can go to the government job.
Well, architecture is part of government. So the department I belong to, Central Public Works Department, CPWD, it has its own cadre of architects that's known as Central Architect Service. And CPWD, as many of you must be aware, it's a premier government organization in construction and designing for other central government departments and PSUs as well. So there was nothing like architect going to something alien. It's architect going to architecture field. It's only from.
But do you have any special entrance exam? Anything you need to prepare for that? How you can join CPWD?
So see, the officer level induction is through UPSC.
Okay.
That is Union Public Service Commission. Since it's an organized service, Central Architect Service, we have our own cadre. Engineering service is different. That is, engineering exams are different because CPWD comprises of engineers, civil, electrical, then there are horticulturists and architects. So basically, you in our time we had to just prepare for the interview, and we would look out for vacancies in employment news. Vacancies are still, they are advertised in employment news. So many students ask me this question, where should we look out for, government vacancies? So they are available in employment news. Just keep looking through them. And when you find something of your liking, or maybe to hedge, you apply for more, organizations. So you have to make a choice, whether you want to work for a state government, you want to work for central government. So basically, look out for vacancies in employment news and then apply to UPSC. Exam is conducted through UPSC.
Okay. So, whenever the students are going to the internship or the job, they are making the portfolios, right? So, आप जब रेडी हो रहे थे तो what was the difference in your portfolio to the other people who were going to the private sector and you were planning to go to the government thing?
No, so see, I graduated in 1982, and for 7 years I worked in private.
Okay.
So I have worked with some of the renowned, firms at that time, like that's I'm talking about around 1983. So Bose Brothers, and then there is this Planners Group. They were working in collaboration with Satish Grover, renowned architect. So it's not that I directly went to government. So I was happy. I was very happy in private. My bosses liked me. I liked working there. And suddenly, how I changed my mind. Suddenly, circumstances changed for me. So, couple of years into marriage, my daughter was born. My husband, who is a civil servant, Indian Revenue Service, he got transferred from Delhi. So then at that point, I thought, now what should I do? How do I pursue my career and stay with my family? So then, I was not new to government because my husband was already a central government
Yeah.
officer. So I thought then I should look out for an organization which has pan India presence because my husband was all India service. I should have, work life balance.
Yeah.
Because, in our time, those architecture firms were very small. They did not have any laid down policies
Correct,
with
correct,
respect to leave and timings.
Uh-huh.
Although when they induct you, they tell you we work from 9:30 to 6. But I don't know what is the situation today, but that time it was like that. So I thought it's better, I should opt for an organization which should give me more flexibility with respect to moving around. I should maintain my work life balance and should be in my profession rather than, leaving because of some women do because they have to look
So
after
that
their
time you
family.
just had the interview thing, no, not the
Yeah,
writing.
so it was just interview. Now of course it is written an interview. So portfolio became very important at that time.
Yeah.
So it was basically, see, as I told you, the exam is conducted by, or the interview is conducted by Union Public Service Commission. So there is a panel of knowledgeable, panelists who are questioning you, who are interviewing you. So, and say if there are 5 vacancies, they will have to take about 5 times of, call
Correct,
for
correct.
people for interview.
I saw that. Yeah.
So, which means lot of time will be spent if they will, keep interviewing. So, one has to be very, very particular of what one is going to present.
Yeah.
So, with respect to portfolio, if I show your best, they are open. They are open to anything. That's the best quality of UPSC members or panelists that they look for your positive points, what you are good at. They will never belittle you. They will try to bring out best out of you. So for that, like if I had 7 years of experience, I had worked on Indian embassy at Malaysia along with Satish Grover. So I showed that. Then I had done international terminal at Ahmedabad. I showed that. There were a couple of projects with Bose Brothers. That time DLF had just started, developing Gurgaon. So those few projects, but main emphasis was, of course, they were very interested in Satish Grover's project.
Yeah,
So main emphasis was on that, and of course international terminal, because at that time there were not many international terminals in, and this was the new upcoming terminal in Ahmedabad. So basically that, as you said about portfolio, so if it is if you have worked, show your best project, you are confident about, you know everything about
Yes.
its designing, its construction details. And say if you have done, say I had done my bachelor at that time, if you have done masters and you have just started working, maybe you don't have any portfolio to show work wise, then show your project,
Okay.
show your research topic.
Yes.
They are open to everything.
Okay. Okay.
So portfolio is whatever you feel you are good at, you have done good, just show it to them.
Okay. See, why I'm focusing on this point particularly and again क्योंकि आज ही हमारे जो बच्चे हैं, I'm
Yeah.
an educator, so वो अभी फोकस नहीं कर पा रहे कि आर्किटेक्चर के बाद कहाँ जाना है. दे आर लुकिंग फॉर मेनी ऑप्शन सो दैट
Yeah.
दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि ये वाला बेटर है, ये वाला बेटर है. देन दे नीड टू कंपेयर ऑल्सो कि यहाँ पैसा ज़्यादा है, यहाँ ज़्यादा है, स्टेबिलिटी. ओके. And they are looking for the word sustainability, but they are not sustainable for one. Okay, the thing कि यहाँ job करना is better. But I want to ask you again कि आपने ज्वाइन कर लिया है, बट आपको बाद में क्या लगा कि क्या और होना चाहिए था दैट कुड बी इजी टू ज्वाइन, और क्या आप अच्छा कर सकते थे तब इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे?
नहीं, सी अगर आप सिलेक्ट हो गए हो तो मतलब आपने अच्छा ही किया.
एनीथिंग यू वांट टू टेल स्टूडेंट्स कि आप ये और रेडी करके जाओ?
Basically, see, I'll give few examples. I will not quote name of those persons. So there was one lady, maybe she was working on some landscape project. So she had brought that to show. And they asked her, what is the botanical name of Gulmohar? No, that's a very, very standard.
Basic, yeah.
Basic.
हाँ.
She didn't know that.
Okay.
So when she came out, she said, "Oh, वो तो मेरे से botanical names पूछ रहे थे." So I mean, which means she was not prepared.
Yeah.
See, if you are making a corporation drawing, writing common name and botanical name, it's the mandate. You mention it in the drawing, which means कि आपने काम करा ही नहीं था ना.
या काम समझ के
मतलब
नहीं
या
किया,
समझ के नहीं करा था आप. वो तब तो टोपो बोलते थे, आजकल
हाँ,
कॉपी पेस्ट बोलते
Yes,
हैं.
yes.
तो आप टोपो करके कर रहे थे, पुरानी ड्राइंग निकाली, करा आपने बिना अपना माइंड सेट करके. यू हैव स्टार्टेड जस्ट रेप्लिकेटिंग व्हाटएवर वाज डन अर्लियर. तो बेसिकली जो भी आप ले जाओ, लाइक दिस इज एज फार एज कि पोर्टफोलियो क्या लेके जाना है, एंड अबाउट अदर थिंग्स व्हाट दे कैन डू. आई मीन private, government, or other avenues. I can tell little bit about that also. So for me, I got more exposure in government. Because
I'm coming to that point, but what
Okay.
I was telling that क्या आप बता रहे हो अभी, that's the same thing I tell my students कि whenever you are going to the Viva, right?
Yeah.
So you need to be prepared with every detail, whatever
Yes.
you are making on your sheets, so you will be ready.
Yes.
And with the knowledge of what is the advancement in that particular thing,
Yes.
the technology what we are using today. So you will be amazed what you learn in your BIAC. We are still teaching that.
Yes.
Yeah? The things are same because I don't know where is the problem. That problem is there. Yes, I know, but they are not upgrading it. We are not using the same things, but we are teaching and learning the same things after so many years.
See, problem is कि I don't know, most of the time professors or teachers, they are not practicing, field में नहीं कर रहे. So I'll not again mention few of the institutes where I have been to, sometimes as jury or maybe for my
Guest lectures and other,
self study
yeah.
also for my PhD. So now they were still stuck at एक like this table. Table पे वही bidding लगवा दी. तो आई सेड दिस इज 10 years बैक. दे शोड मी, देखो हमने फर्नीचर, आप लास्ट टाइम आए थे तो अभी फर्नीचर कितना इस लुक हमने चेंज किया. तो आई सेड आपने ये फिर से वही बीडिंग लगवा दी. तो आजकल क्या चलता है? आई सेड पोस्ट फॉर्म फर्नीचर व्हिच इट हैज नो बीडिंग, इट इज फैक्ट्री मेड. यू जस्ट स्ट्रेच द लेमिनेट एंड इट्स डन बाय विद मशीन्स. दे सेड अच्छा वो क्या होता है? सो दिस इज नाउ वन ऑफ द academician talking to me. आई एम सॉरी, आई मीन whosoever said that, please don't take offense. But I think there should be some mandate where even teachers should be asked to, upgrade their knowledge, their skill,
Absolutely.
especially in the
Yes.
field.
Yeah.
सो
Absolutely.
वो थ्योरी तो बहुत अच्छी बोल देते हैं,
हाँ.
लेकिन प्रैक्टिकल जब हम जाते हैं ना, आई नो इट. आई मीन, आई व्हेन आई वेंट टू CPWD, I would get a small plot and I will be told बना दो. अब उसमें मैं कौन सा डिजाइन प्रिंसिपल लगाऊंगी, और I mean, and पूरा आपको कवर करना है. You cannot have something projecting like that, something recessed like that. I am having sciography effect. No, I cannot. I have to be very practical. So basically, teachers, faculty should also be made to go for training.
Yeah.
In fact, in government now, we are being sent for training outside. So before getting one of my promotion, I was sent to MDI in Gurgaon for a short training.
Okay.
Where it's a premier institute for management. So we were taught by those professors about managerial skills. So, I mean, those kind of, and then in-house training institute CPWD has, where we are asked to attend. I mean, later in the career, we are asked to give lectures also. But then, when you are young, you are asked to attend those trainings where you should learn what is new. So,
when you entered in CPWD,
yeah.
so what was the nature of your projects and the scale of your projects? How you started?
So, see, nature is varied.
Uh-huh.
Because as I said, CPWD is a premier organization serving all the departments, ministries. So you have residential, you have offices, you have sports complex, holiday homes, because सरकारी holiday homes भी होते हैं. Then you have stadia. Commonwealth Games हुई थी, तो there were many stadias built, designed and built by CPWD architects and engineers.
Yes.
And what else? Interiors, heritage buildings. Heritage buildings interiors you have to do, you adaptive reuse. So anything, I mean, this Paryavaran Bhavan, then Paryavaran Bhavan, that is very well known, designed by CPWD architects. So list is endless.
So you explored in CPWD more than the private thing, right?
Of course, because what happens that in CPWD, every officer has certain duties. So part of one duty is that you have to deal some projects independently, even at entrance level.
Okay.
I mean, the class 1 entrance level is deputy architect. So when you join as deputy architect, so a project of certain cost, up to certain cost, is to be dealt independently by the deputy architect.
Okay.
And he can take guidance from his senior architect or his architect. So hierarchy is deputy architect, senior architect, chief architect. So he can take guidance from them, but he has to deal independently.
Yeah.
And as he becomes architect, he will have 2 deputy architects under him, 1 assistant architect under him. Then he will be doing certain cost of project, on his own, plus looking after the ones which deputy architect is doing. So that kind is not there. You are stuck, in private, and if it's a small organization, till the main CEO or the boss, whatever you say, he has full faith in you. He will not let you do anything.
So what was your first project as a deputy architect?
As deputy architect, so okay, I worked with my senior architect. He took me directly under him because I had lot of experience. Yeah, because there were few who had come just after doing masters. So I worked with him on new engineering college.
Okay.
तो वो हुआ नहीं. I think then later on it was given to some private architect, but I got transferred from there and I went to Bombay. So that time he was working on it but he took me directly. He had architects also working with him, and I was deputy architect. So I worked on engineering college
And
at
what
that
was
time.
your favorite project during your tenure?
Oh, all projects are favorite.
All were your babies. So
All are
all were
my
favorite.
babies, so there is nothing like, ki, this is my favorite. And another thing, as per Government of India policy, your posts keep changing, your cities keep changing. So if you are very lucky, you may see a project from concept to completion.
Ah.
If it's a big project,
Uh-huh.
so from concept to completion is difficult.
Difficult. Okay.
It's a small project, say about a crore, 2 crore. हमारे टाइम में जब young थे 20-25 lakhs. You may see it,
Yeah.
you may be. So I just a small anecdote. So once, there was some interior of a heritage building. So one of my seniors started it. He got retired. So that is also there in government.
Yeah.
So it was, although he was very senior and I was just an architect, but my senior architect, he had full faith in me. He said, you deal independently. So I did. It was for income tax department. It came out very well. So I was told later that finance minister at that time would come and hold meetings in that very building, in that conference, because he used to love that. So when this thing came to be known by the one who had retired, so he said, यहाँ तो ताजमहल कौन बनाता है और शाहजहां कौन बन जाता है. So like everyone was praising me. Although I kept telling, no, it was his design. I have just carried forward. So I can't really love. अभी उनका भी ये favorite होगा. That adaptive reuse of grade 2 heritage building. मेरा भी है. So, but in government you can't really claim it's a team. Team can be ex-team also, present team also, or you may also get transferred. Or even internal shifting also. There's lot of administration. Sometimes you are sent to administrative post. So then it can be future team which will own it.
Yeah.
Their name will come there. Although names are never displayed, but sometimes some brochures or something where they will write. Though I wrote that fellow's name in the brochure which came out.
Nice. So, what is the difference between the methodology
Yeah.
being a private architect or being a government architect?
No difference.
No difference,
Methodology
the
तो
same.
same ही है. वही शुरू करना है आपने. You have to start, whatever you are taught in the college.
So there is nothing to scare that government projects are like that or like that. Nothing
नहीं
else.
नहीं नहीं कुछ
Okay.
नहीं. It's
And what about the clients? Because here you are getting clients as a ministers, right?
Yeah.
But here in the private you have the different type of clients. Like,
Yes.
what's the difference?
difference is, again, as I told you, one though you right from beginning you start dealing directly with them. Say if it's a minister chamber, it's for the cost of the project is only 10 lakhs. So some deputy architect or architect, maybe like senior architect, will delegate ki karo. So he may go for meetings, he may not go for meetings sometimes, because senior architect has number of projects with him. So that way, I mean, right from day one, you start interacting directly with the clients. Whereas in private, this doesn't happen. It's normally the main 2-3 persons who are always running around. But in government, clients are VIP. I'll tell you, I mean, this is just a hypothetical kind of example that, one day suddenly some client will call like your chief architect कि मंत्री जी आ रहे हैं तो ये प्रेजेंटेशन देना है 2 दिन में चाहिए. तो डिज़ाइन भी करना है. You have to evolve, from the concept, design, make presentation. So you do it in 2 days. So I didn't see that in private. Maybe clients were less. Here, so many projects. You don't even, you work comes and you
So,
work.
so in private firm, you can be flexible with the clients, but not in government,
Not
right?
in government.
Yeah.
You are dealing
You
with
have to be punctual.
you have to be very punctual, very very punctual, because they are like, we were told कि उन्हीं के लिए तो, like, our rosy roti is on them. If we will not serve them, so we have no right, to be here. डिपार्टमेंट बंद हो जाएगा, काम नहीं करेंगे तो वो तो करना ही है. So it is like that, so the difference is there. इतना प्रेशर दिमाग पे नहीं होता था. Plus, of course, like if you are going to make a presentation to President of India or maybe Prime Minister of India, so एक certain you are in awe. है ना?
And the proud moment also, that
Proud
you are-
moment also, little scared कि
yeah.
yeah.
Lots of emotions together.
I
in
know,
you.
I know. तो private में it never, एक दो visits में client would become friendly with you and वो, बट इंडिपेंडेंट तो वहाँ पे बहुत कम होता था. इट्स बेसिकली
टीम वर्क.
हाँ, यहाँ तो आपको इंडिपेंडेंटली बहुत कुछ करना पड़ता है. एंड देन बिकॉज you are on leave, say your senior architect is on leave, and charge is given in government, it's the system is there, charge is given to the other senior architect, but he will handle his office, he will handle that office. I mean, how many offices he can handle? So he will tell his architects in the other office where senior architect has gone on leave कि कर लेना, जाके मीटिंग अटेंड कर लेना, जरूरत पड़े तो बुला लेना. So
So one more thing I would like to ask, that in private practices, what happens is architect ने design कर दिया, and sometimes what clients does है कि वो अपने हिसाब से change कर लेते हैं कि आप बस बना दो plan ना, हम देख लेंगे, approve करा दो, बस ये करा दो. Is it also happens in the government?
नहीं नहीं,
कि जो आप कर रहे हो वो हो जाएगा?
नहीं, वो तो नहीं होता है कई बार. सी आजकल के clients are very well traveled. So it is not like पहले सब, मतलब इंडिया में टिल द इकोनॉमी चेंज्ड तब तक तो इतनी नहीं होता था एक्सपोजर, मीडिया इतना नहीं था. दे आर वेल ट्रेवल्ड, वेल इन्फॉर्म्ड, दे नो all about new construction techniques, new designs coming up, sustainability, new materials coming up. So they are bound to give some suggestions. So now it is up to you that if you want to agree with them, I mean, one should be open.
Yeah.
They may give you good suggestion and you go with it, or then otherwise you should be, I mean, so confident about what you have done. Convince them.
Okay. कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि you know the better design, but because of the senior आपने नहीं बोला, आप चुप थे और आपने कॉम्प्रोमाइज किया कि ठीक है जो सीनियर
वो
बोला
तो
चला.
प्राइवेट में भी होता था, सरकारी में भी होता है. But generally, see, fraternity feeling is always there. So I have worked with strictest of bosses and best of bosses as architect.
Yeah.
I mean, I've learnt a lot from them, but sometimes they would listen. Sometimes they may not. But that happened, and I worked in private. So, I mean, कई बार बोस साहब थे हमारे, बोस ब्रदर्स में, वो बड़े मज़ेदार होते थे. सडनली कुछ ऐसा बोल देते थे कि जो लाइक, मैं ये इतने बड़े आर्किटेक्ट हैं. सो once or twice I said, सर ये तो बड़ी छोटी सी चीज़ है, इसको अगर ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करेंगे ज़्यादा. हाँ, यस, यू आर राइट. सिमिलरली एक बार सतीश ग्रोवर सर थे, तो उनको मैंने इंडियन एम्बेसी का कुछ रेजिडेंशियल का था या ऑफिस का, आई डोंट, एम्बेसी का था. वी वर डूइंग रेजिडेंशियल एज वेल एज द एम्बेसी पार्ट. तो उसमें आई गेव हिम सम सजेशन एंड ही वाज वेरी हैप्पी. कई बार नहीं भी होते थे, कई बार डांट भी थे, अरे क्या ये चिटक पिटक लगा रहे हो, टर्न की काम कर रहे हो क्या, अभी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर का काम थोड़ा ना, जितना लगाओगे पैसे मिलेंगे. तो
So when you were in CPWD and being a woman, being a senior person, so did you feel anything awkward about this or the position, or things were good कि ऐसा?
I mean, it's a simple funda in my mind. काम करने निकले हैं, so बस काम करना है. And no, it's a men dominate, male dominance है.
हाँ
because architecture may not be there, but then engineers, horticulturists, civil, electrical, horticulture के लोग हैं, that those wings are dominated by men. Very few ladies are there. So and we work as a team, but I always think it's in our mind.
हाँ.
We
So
are
what
all
is more difficult, being a woman or being opinionated?
I think being maybe opinionated. I don't know, but I've never given thought to these things. I mean, I really feel strange when someone asks me.
हाँ.
For me, I will be very open sitting
Because
with
see,
men.
when the word came women empowerment, right?
Yeah.
It's in the light for like 1 decade or 2 decade maximum. Everybody is talking about कि ये problem है women को, ये problem है, वो problem है. So I'm asking कि आपके टाइम में होता था कि नहीं होता था? अगर तब नहीं था तो अभी भी बहुत ज़्यादा, तो अभी तो नहीं होगा.
Problem तो men को भी होती है. कोई see, they face different kind of challenges.
Yeah.
Women face different kind of challenges. So as I said, my family background is family is in government
only,
service.
yeah.
I have seen sometimes my husband also struggling,
Yeah.
my father, my brother. So I felt ठीक है, उनका चैलेंज कुछ और था, मेरा चैलेंज कुछ और है. But I think ये
But
जो
challenges are there.
challenges
For
are
everybody.
there. वो
Yeah,
तो
yeah,
hiccups
yeah.
तो होते ही हैं. ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? It can be smooth. But ये male dominance, this and that, it is all in, at least for me, it is all in your mind. I have worked with, labor होती थी, ठेकेदार होते थे.
And you should know how to handle every.
You should know how to handle. You should be very confident about your
Yeah.
work. You should know what you
For
are talking
that, you have to
about.
upgrade yourself with the knowledge so that you can understand what they are going to say.
Absolutely. So that is what I said कि ये अगर academia में भी ये चीज कर दें,
हाँ.
you know, if they if the institutes they rather than theory में उनको you know upgradation कराएं, field में करा दें, students will benefit more. Tell me how many students go for academia? Not many.
Absolutely.
हम भी नहीं अपने टाइम में गए, very less. They all prefer to go, maybe money is more that side or whatever, or government में welfare, you know, policies are more, so they go to government. To private, although I don't know, because now government is also equally good salary wise. So ये जो चीज है, तो मेरे ख्याल से तो
We are thinking about it. Hope is there.
तो बेसिकली करवा देना चाहिए इंस्टीट्यूट्स को. और इधर तो करना ही पड़ता है. लाइक व्हेन आई मीन आजकल वी lot of exposure is there. It's not that we can't afford to go to a nice cafe or nice restaurant.
Yes.
You will find lot of good materials being used. So
Absolutely. And there are so many exhibitions are happening nowadays, and
yes,
people can explore.
people can explore.
Not just the students. होता क्या है कि फैकल्टी मेंबर जस्ट यूज्ड टू आस्क स्टूडेंट कि अब जाके देख के आओ, खुद नहीं जाएंगे. तो क्वेरीज को आप कैसे सॉल्व करोगे? बच्चे ने कुछ देखा, नाउ ही और शी इज आस्किंग, अब आपको तो पता नहीं उसने क्या देखा है. What is going to happen?
So I remember when we were, I have spent a lot of time in Bombay during my career. So Sachin Tendulkar had opened a restaurant there. So he had used all, you know, that time Italian marble, so many new materials he had used in his restaurant. So I especially went. I had my lunch there. I went and saw, you know, कि like क्या करा है इसमें. So that really inspired me. That if they can do, why can't we do? And immediately after that, I got a, I think, interior of SEBI office. नरीमन पॉइंट पे था शायद, बहुत टाइम हो गया उसको. So that office, I tell you, उनकी जो डोर्स की पॉलिश थी पुराने टाइम की, क्या चमक थी उस पॉलिश में. ऐसे लग रहा था कि पता नहीं किसी ने क्या ऊपर लगा दिया. सो दे शोड मी दैट ऑफिस. दे सेड कि रिफर्बिश करना है, आप ये स्टैंडर्ड मेंटेन कर लोगे? दैट रियली सेट मी थिंकिंग, कैसे करें. Meantime, I had gone to Tendulkar. So I started, exploring new materials. And then I came to know कि आजकल तो लेमिनेशंस बड़ी फर्स्ट क्लास आ रही हैं. So वो स्टैंडर्ड नहीं रही हैं. So I selected one lamination. I asked contractor एक दरवाजा एक डोर तैयार कर दो वो लगा के. Then when I went and asked the client कि कहते हैं ये तो आपने कमाल कर दिया. So this is what is required. Keep your eyes open.
Yeah.
And it's not that you have come to government तो आप वही स्टैंडर्ड रन ऑफ द मिल काम करोगे. नो, आजकल क्लाइंट्स आपको दे चैलेंज यू. इट्स नॉट कि दे विल टेक कि भी हाँ दे दिया काम कर दिया बहुत बड़ी बात होगी. दे चैलेंज यू, दे आस्क यू कि इसमें क्या नया करके दिखा रहे हो. एंड गवर्नमेंट इज ओपन, कुछ ऐसा नहीं है. यू कैन यूज न्यू मटेरियल्स.
एब्सोल्युटली. सो एक और चीज़ यहाँ पे है कि व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू अ प्राइवेट प्रैक्टिसेस ऑफिस द so you need to work on one thing, right? And now you are going to the TL or the chief architect and you are approving your thing कि sir ma'am ये this is my work and हो गया है अब कर दो. So is the same in the government field और आपको वहाँ पे अलग stages होते हैं to approve your work or your design or is the same thing?
नहीं, उसमें in CPWD I am talking now about
Yeah,
my
of
talk
course.
is about CPWD.
Actually, because we want to ask about it.
Yeah.
Because we saw the private practice. Now,
Yeah.
what are your opinions about
because
the
there are other central government offices, organizations also which have architects like Ministry of Defense. They have their own architecture wing. So but in CPWD head of office is senior architect and head of the department is chief architect. So जो ये अप्रूवल का है, unless something of very importance, the approval रुक जाती है सीनियर आर्किटेक्ट पे आके. ही अप्रूव्स. उसमें दिखाना तो पड़ता है. सो बेसिकली सीनियर आर्किटेक्ट इज द कह लो कि अप्रूविंग अथॉरिटी. बट नॉर्मली दे लेट यू डेवलप. हाँ, see with experience they will have maybe more knowledge, many things which youngsters miss out. So वो suggestions देंगे, but they tell you to develop. So you work on your design. It's not कि वो senior architect will say उसके पास time ही नहीं है.
Correct.
There are number of teams under him. तो ही डजंट हैव टाइम कि वो एक एक डिज़ाइन लेके कहेगा जाओ मैं बनाता हूँ बैठ के या मैं ऑटोकैड पे कहूँ. ही डजंट हैव टाइम. ही हैज़ टू गो फॉर मीटिंग्स. ही हैज़ टू लुक आफ्टर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, वेलफेयर ऑफ हिज ऑफिस पीपल. ही हैज़ टू लुक फॉर डिज़ाइंस. आई मीन लुक आफ्टर द डिज़ाइंस. जो भी आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स आपके पास आए हुए हैं तो टाइम कितना है. इवन आई मीन इट्स नॉट दैट आई सेड अर्लियर अबाउट प्राइवेट कंपनीज. आई मीन नो पॉलिसीज अबाउट टाइम. टाइमिंग का तो यहाँ भी in CPWD also you work.
And what about the project design? In the classrooms or in the private practices, people are open to do design, the curves and the hanging.
नहीं, उसी प्रॉब्लम इज कि आपको प्लॉट एक लिमिटेड साइज का मिलता है.
उसमें and you have to follow the norms.
You have to follow the norms. और
आपने प्राइवेट में भी कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, आपको मैक्सिमाइज करना है ना उसको.
Okay.
आप सरकार के लिए बना रहे हो, सरकारी हो, सरकार के लिए बना रहे हो. आप तो एक एक इंच को ऑप्टिमाइज करोगे. कैसे कर लोगे आप? जगह कैसे छोड़ोगे?
तो मतलब आप डब्बे बनाओगे ज्यादा?
नहीं, डिब्बे नहीं बनते हैं, ऐसे नहीं होता. वही दिस इज व्हाट आई लर्न फ्रॉम माय वन ऑफ द ही वाज अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट आर्किटेक्ट.
क्योंकि जनरली लोग कहते हैं कि सरकारी क्या है, बिल्डिंग एक डब्बा बन गया है.
नहीं, अब नहीं है. अब तो कोई डिब्बे का पर्यावरण भवन कोई डिब्बा है क्या? नहीं है ना. अब नहीं है. अब तो जवाहर भवन. जवाहर भवन तो इट्स अ टीम ऑफ CPWD architects who designed it and engineers and electrical, and they did it. And similarly I know this building is loved by some and is criticized by some. It is Fishery Survey of India की हैदराबाद में है. एयरपोर्ट से if you go towards city there is that fish building. So one of the CPWD architect has designed. He's a vegetarian, I think so. but someone who had worked under him, then worked under me also, and he was telling कि सर जो थे वो रोज एक फिश मंगा के स्टडी करते थे, you know. So they are not डिब्बाज anymore, सवाल ही नहीं उठता. So I had designed this regional center for IGNOU in Gandhinagar.
Okay.
So it was a circular building. So why I had taken this form, because see, it's not a structured studies in IGNOU. So a circle, you know, flowing. So that concept was there. And आज के दिन में भी there was some atrium in between. So कभी भी नहीं. But this I learned from one of my senior architect who was very strict. Very strict. I can never forget him.
Okay, so अभी थोड़ा सा serious वो चीज़ पूछ लेते हैं. So for anything what an architect or architecture firm is doing, he is a direct accountable for the project, right? अगर CPWD से कोई गलती हो जाती है फॉर द पब्लिक अमाउंट, ऑब्वियसली वो पब्लिक का पैसा है जो सरकार यूज कर रही है और वहाँ पे है, हु इज द अकाउंटेबल फॉर दैट?
See, everything is very well taken care of. There are so many laid down rules. इतनी financial rules हैं, इतने administrative rules हैं, vigilances के बारे में पता चल जाता है धीरे धीरे. So everything is done in writing, everything is on record. कहीं कोई गलती हो रही है, immediately with respect to finance or anything, it is immediately brought to the notice.
Okay, पर ऐसे सरकारी ऑफिस के लिए कहावत है ना कि काम हो जाता है, ऐसे हो जाता है. Is it okay with
नहीं,
CPWD?
with CPWD तो it's not, वैसे तो है ही नहीं कि हम लोग कोई मतलब पब्लिक के नक्शे आ रहे हैं, पास कर रहे हैं, कुछ कर रहे हैं. यहाँ तो only there is, वो भी recently it was introduced that CPWD architects being government architects can approve their अपना self approval कर सकते हैं. So उसमें भी then मतलब it started with that, then it started when I was there in service.
ऐसा कभी हुआ है आपने कोई कोलैब में काम किया हो कि CPWD ने फिर एक और किसी आर्किटेक्ट को बाहर से लिया हो कोलैब
वो
में?
तो अभी हो रहा है.
अभी
That
तो
is,
क्योंकि हो रहा है तो
हाँ,
आई एम
वो तो
आस्किंग कि वो
नहीं, वो पहले नहीं था, but now it is happening.
हाँ.
I would not like to comment about that. I mean, I have my views. Because
Absolutely,
CPWD architects are very capable. See, it's the cream. UPSC ने select किया, cream ही आएगी. ऐसे नहीं आएगा कि कोई एरा गैरा उठ के आ जाएगा.
Okay, so nowadays there is a AI thing. You
Yeah,
heard about,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
पहले वो नहीं था कि लोग दिमाग लगा रहे, बैठ के आइडियाज बना रहे. क्या लगता है आपको कि AI से फायदा होने वाला है, नुकसान होने वाला
See,
है?
AI के मास्टर तो आप ही हो.
हाँ.
I use ChatGPT so much. I mean, I am being told that I am using it better than most of the 80% of youngsters. But then ultimate thoughts are mine.
Yeah.
I command.
Yeah. That is your assistant basically.
That
you have
is my
to use it
yeah,
according
this,
to you.
हाँ, अब आप कॉपी पेस्ट ही करना चाहते हो तो कर लो, फिर उसको मास्टर बना लो.
Correct.
ठीक है ना. तो मैं तो नहीं उसको बनने देती ChatGPT को, या और जो क्लॉड और कितने कई आ गए हैं. आई डोंट यूज ऑल.
हाँ. So इनोवेशंस की हम बात करें या सस्टेनेबल डिज़ाइन की बात करें तो यू हैव वर्क टू मच है ना ऑन दोज प्रोजेक्ट्स. तो आपने क्या वहाँ पे समझा? तो सस्टेनेबल डिज़ाइन, द डेफिनेशन ऑफ सस्टेनेबिलिटी इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू टेल स्टूडेंट्स बिकॉज पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू टेल. Sometimes I thought, what my thought is, when people are talking the green building, so when an architect is designing a building, that should be green itself.
That should be green.
Why people are adding few terms कि ये green होना चाहिए, ये sustainable होना चाहिए? That should be.
See, जो चीज़ अभी what you are saying ना, मैंने एक बार someone was writing a paper हमारी डिपार्टमेंट में on green building and she had to submit somewhere. तो मैंने ऐसे ही कहा, मैंने कहा मुझे एक चीज बताओ, अमेर फोर्ट है जयपुर का, वो ग्रीन बिल्डिंग नहीं है क्या? वो ग्रीन बिल्डिंग है. आप कुछ देख लो पुराने, कुछ भी फोर्ट क्या, कुछ भी देख लो, टेम्पल देख लो, कुछ देख लो, दे आर ऑल ग्रीन बिल्डिंग्स. वो सारे फीचर्स हैं, कोई हमने कॉन्शियसली थोड़ा ना ऐड करने हैं. सिमिलरली फॉर डिसेबिलिटी यूनिवर्सल डिजाइन जिसको कहते हैं, तो फॉर यूनिवर्सल डिजाइन यू डोंट हैव टू कॉन्शियसली ऐड. दे शुड बी पार्ट,
Hmm.
इट शुड बी इन योर माइंड कि वो तो डिजाइन करते हुए आना ही है.
Correct.
सिमिलरली फॉर दिस ऑल्सो,
Hmm.
फॉर सस्टेनेबिलिटी, ग्रीन बिल्डिंग. अब बच्चों का समझाना तो मैं वही कह रही हूँ ना कि मुश्किल इसलिए होता है कि you have to give examples to them. So there was once I was jury to some thesis, I think projects, किसी institute में. So this girl or boy, I don't remember. So what she had done. Have you seen? Have you been to UK?
And not
No.
yet.
Okay. So there is this very famous जगह Covent Garden.
Mm-hmm.
तो कॉवेंट गार्डन में क्या है कि ग्राउंड है और बेसमेंट है. बेसमेंट में कैफे है, वहाँ पे थोड़ी राउंड सी स्पेस है, वहाँ म्यूजिक होता है. सो लाइक कॉवेंट गार्डन इज अ वेरी लाइवली स्पेस. नाउ दिस गर्ल हैड डिजाइंड समथिंग, आई डोंट एग्जैक्टली रिमेंबर नेचर ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट, बट वो फ्लैट ग्राउंड था. उसने उसमें ऐसे लेवल एक क्रिएट कर दिया. तो लेवल क्रिएट करा तो उसमें यही कुछ कुछ उसने दिखाया. मैंने कहा मिट्टी का क्या किया अभी, तुम्हारी तो वो थी, वो तो ले गया. मैंने कहा वो लेके गया ट्रक ले गया तो कहाँ ले गया, तेरा सस्टेनेबल कैसे हुआ, तूने तो इतनी कॉस्ट कर दी. तो ये तो टीचर को देखना चाहिए था ना. तो टीचर्स को अभी आजकल तो आई मीन इतनी नॉलेज मिल सकती है. आई रीड होल डे, आई एम रिटायर्ड, आई रीड होल डे. कुछ भी एनीथिंग कम्स टू माय माइंड, आई जस्ट गूगल और आस्क चैट जीपीटी. सो मच इंफॉर्मेशन इज देयर. तो टीचर्स तो हमें तो कोई अभी जैसे आई शुड नॉट से इट, आई एम अ प्रोफेशनल, बट आई हैव नाउ आई एम diving into some other interest also, like theater, book writing, this and that. But जो प्रोफेशनली अभी किसी चीज को कर रहे हैं, दे शुड रीड. बच्चों को बताएं. जब वो पहले तो बच्चे ने प्रोजेक्ट चेक कराया होगा ना अपने टीचर से, वो बताया क्यों नहीं कि भी कुछ बता दो ना कि मिट्टी से मैंने इसको साइड पे ऐसे किया.
That's a very wonderful story. I would like to tell you. So I went for a Viva jury for the building construction. It was for the second semester. The whole class, I was just marking on sheets the circles because everybody just copied one sheet.
हाँ.
It was too easy to tell them. I was like, why you did this? They told me, I asked many students, why you did this? So they told me, ma'am, we got the sheet from the faculty and then we drafted it. That was the whole scenario. मतलब they were not understanding कि जो विंडो है उन्होंने प्लान में लगा रखी है, प्लान को उन्होंने एलिवेशन में लगा दिया एंड they did blunder.
यही तो है ना. I mean it's not that good faculty is not there. Good faculty भी है, but I think basic एक institutes के ऊपर onus आ जाता है. They should like make them, they should upgrade their knowledge, their skill. एक conscious effort होना चाहिए.
Okay, so we learned so many things about CPWD. अच्छी वाली चीजें. अब मुझे थोड़ा कुछ और पूछना है कि जो बुरा हो सकता है. So for government job, it is saying, सब लोग ऐसे बातें करते हैं कि एक बार आप गवर्नमेंट में घुस जाओ, आपकी लाइफ सेट है और मज़े हैं, आपको धीरे धीरे प्रमोशन भी हो जाएगा. तो इज इट द सेम विद CPWD कि आपने काम नहीं किया, कर रहे हो नहीं कर रहे हो एंड यू आर नॉट अपग्रेडिंग योर सेल्फ, तो आप एक लेवल पे तो रुके हुए हो, या ऐसा कुछ है, या इज देयर एनीथिंग डिफरेंट कि गवर्नमेंट जॉब में सिक्योरिटी तो है, क्योंकि लोग अभी भी गवर्नमेंट जॉब में जाना चाहते हैं जस्ट फॉर द सिक्योरिटी, एक परमानेंट चीज़ हो जाएगा, रिटायरमेंट पक्का है, मज़ा आ जाएगा.
सो सिक्योरिटी का तो ऐसे है कि इट इज़ सिक्योर टू सर्टेन एक्सटेंट, बट नॉट 100%. सो एवरी ईयर योर परफॉर्मेंस की अप्रेजल होती है एंड इट इज़ डन एट 3 levels. सो इमीडिएट, नेक्स्ट एंड वन आफ्टर दैट, हर एक की होती है. इवन इफ ही इज सेक्रेटरी टू गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया और एडिशनल सेक्रेटरी, सबकी होती है. सो यू हैव टू परफॉर्म. I have seen many cases where they were given adverse report. तो खा रहे थे वो, धक्के खा रहे थे, फिर इधर से उधर प्रमोशन भी रुकी है उनकी, ह्यूमिलिएशन भी हुई है. तो ऐसा सोच के इफ अगर आप जाते हो कि भाई पक्की हो गई अब क्या है, ऐसा नहीं है. बिकॉज काम तो करना पड़ेगा. एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू कि काम करना पड़ता है, शाम को भी बैठते हैं। मैं आई वुड सिट टिल 10 o'clock, आई वुड शूट अ मेल एट 1 o'clock इन द नाइट टू माई जूनियर्स, कुछ याद आता था, इफ आई एम अवेक आई वुड शूट अ मेल कि सुबह बता देना ये मेरे को। आई डोंट नो हाउ गवर्नमेंट विल टेक इट, वेदर आई एम एक्सप्लॉइटिंग एम्प्लॉयज, बट अब मुझे अगर सुबह और भी बहुत काम है तो मतलब काम तो करना पड़ेगा। सो वो नहीं है कि आप बैठ जाओ, जो ऐसे सोच के आते हैं उनको कहीं ना
तो
कहीं
चैलेंजिंग है।
हाँ हाँ, कहीं ना कहीं हाँ, वैसे सिक्योरिटी है, देखो कि आपकी इफ यू आर परफॉर्मिंग इवन मिड लेवल भी कर रहे हो, यू कीप गेटिंग प्रमोटेड। हाँ, ये है कि इफ यू आर आउटस्टैंडिंग यू गेट चांस फॉर डेपुटेशन टू अदर डिपार्टमेंट्स। नाउ हम लोगों के आर्किटेक्ट्स मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स में जाते हैं, दे गेट सो मच एक्सपोजर, दे ट्रैवल वर्ल्ड वाइड। फिर DUAC में जाता है हमारा आर्किटेक्ट एज सेक्रेटरी DUAC, तो कितना एक्सपोजर होगा आपको वहाँ पे, आपका नेटवर्किंग इतनी बढ़ती है। देन गवर्नमेंट सेंड यू ऑन फॉरेन ट्रेनिंग्स, बट दोज हु आर गुड दे गो। Deputations also, your performance reports should be good to get that. In fact, Delhi Metro was designed by one of our architects, senior architect, Mrs. Tripta Khurana. She was the first one who worked with Sridharan, and she was a brilliant officer of CPWD.
So nice.
अभी तक वो she is working till now as consultant, though she retired, but she worked and she got it.
नाइस।
तो काम तो करना ही पड़ेगा। वो सोच में ठीक है, चल रही है लाइफ, धीरे धीरे चल रही है, बट आई मीन ठीक है, वो एटीट्यूड है तो फिर रगड़ रगड़ के चलाते रहो।
So we discussed about CPWD, the private practices also. We discussed about कि faculty को क्या करना चाहिए. But I want to ask you something. What about the students? I saw many students who are late for every class for the whole semester, not coming on time. Punctuality is very, very like important thing to me. I don't know about the student. And in the last, they are just making puppy faces. They don't have any exposure, and luck by chance they can go somewhere, है ना? They are just ऐसे होता है ना, खुद को घिस के काम चला रहा है. But what will be your advice to the students who actually want to work in architecture in the government or the private? So you can tell me, because you have the experience in both the things, and now you are also taking the guest lectures, teaching students in your way. So what is your point of view on that?
So my advice to them is that follow your dreams, follow your passion. See what you said कि वो क्लास नहीं अटेंड करे, हो सकता है उनको ज़बरदस्ती भेजा गया हो इस फील्ड में. So this is my advice to parents. Let them do what they want to do. अब वो नहीं रहा है जो हमारे टाइम था कि डॉक्टर बनना है, इंजीनियर बनना है. You can go to any field and you can do wonders. I have seen people doing it. So be happy, follow your dreams, follow your passion. जो भी करो मन लगा के करो. Do it with full sincerity, full dedication, because I have also come across so many students, जहाँ पे like, as I told about UPSC members, they try to take out your best. So similarly, when you go as a jury, it's not that you want to उनको आप नीचा स्टूडेंट्स को दिखाना चाहते हो. You want them to learn as a jury. तो you want good for them. तो मैंने एक आधी बार हुआ है, there was this student, उसको 3 बार चांस दिया. Like I told other jury members कि let's give her a chance, let's give her a chance, let her come out. कोई बात नहीं, that was online चल रहा था तब कि हमें कॉलेज तो जाना ही नहीं है, अपने घर बैठे हैं, ऑनलाइन कर रहे हैं. दूसरा चांस, she didn't do anything. क्यों? कुछ होगा ना. Something must be there. Maybe she didn't want to come to this profession. So there are so many avenues these days. You can go to any premier. See, architecture is a core education. आपको एक बेसिक क्वालिफिकेशन अच्छी मिल गई, इसके बाद आप MBA करो, ट्राई फॉर IIMs. इनफैक्ट देयर आर सर्टेन फ्यू IIMs, दे गिव more points for being a professional like architects. Not to engineers, but I think architects को देते हैं. आपको women होने के मिलते हैं extra points. So go to those institutes, do management, and since architecture is your core qualification, you may be taken by any of the big fours.
Yeah.
They may put you, because big fours are into everything.
Correct.
They will take you into some project consultancy.
No.
And आप तो बहुत ऊपर उठ जाओगे.
Correct.
Similarly, you can go for civil services examination. You can choose your subjects. There are, in fact, there was a lady who was an architect, my husband's senior in revenue service. She was an architect.
Yeah.
And then she would be involved in any upcoming project for income tax department because she knew architecture.
Yeah.
So you are getting your satisfaction also. And if you are become an IAS, so you are heading so many projects.
Absolutely.
How much satisfaction it will give you.
Yes.
So even this advice is for students as well as for parents. Let them do whatever they want to do. So that they don't miss the classes.
Yeah.
You know?
That's the important thing. Yeah.
They don't make those puppy
What
faces.
I understood about architecture, architecture is art and the technology.
Yeah.
And this is the only subject where you are working on your both the minds, left and right, the
Yes.
creative and the tech, right?
Yes.
And also you are understanding the life कि आपको समझ आ रहा है जब आप वहां पे काम कर सकते हो पूरी रात उठ के 4 रातें उठ के यू कैन डू एनीथिंग इन द लाइफ
Yes.
यू कैन बी द क्रिएटिव यू कैन बी द टेक्निकल एंड
You can be a good
so many
manager.
options.
You
Yeah.
can be a good manager.
Yeah. There's so many options.
So many options.
After BA, you can do mails.
बिल्कुल. मैं तो जैसे कई लोग कहते हैं अरे आर्किटेक्चर किया क्यों छोड़ रही है वो या क्यों छोड़ रहा है आर्किटेक्चर इज सच अ नोबल सी है इट्स फॉर मी इट्स अ नोबल प्रोफेशन फॉर यू इट्स अ नोबल
course.
प्रोफेशन बट हो सकता है उस बच्चे का नहीं मन लगा हो तो कोई बात नहीं ना उसमें उसने क्या गलत कर दिया होता है इट हैपन्स you know I mean I have seen when you enter architecture you enter with certain notions in your mind we used to be just 16 years old
Yeah.
जब हम पहुंचते थे
Correct,
कॉलेज
correct.
आप सोचते हो कि वहाँ तो वो सुंदर सुंदर बस स्केचेस बनाने हैं यू नेवर न्यू कि आपको स्ट्रक्चर डिजाइन भी सीखना है आपको बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन भी सीखनी है इट मे नॉट बी योर कप ऑफ टी तो आप यू बिकम डिस्ग्रंटल्ड मिडवे
Correct.
तो यू फील कि नो I should like change my course. Change your course.
Yeah.
2-3 साल गए
Yeah.
and
But I think new NEP is giving you this chance. If you are not able to do the full course, you can take the exit. And I think that is a good idea what
That's a
government
good
is
idea, yes.
talking about. Let's see
Yeah.
कब applicable होता है. But this is good कि अगर
हाँ.
आपको 3 साल में नहीं समझ आ रहा है, तो
हाँ.
please take an exit.
Yes.
And then you can do something else.
you can do something else. I mean, see, after working so many years, I have been told I'm a very good manager.
Yeah.
So maybe I should have gone for HR.
That's so nice.
I know I'm a good architect,
Yeah.
but you know, I could have become a good, HR person.
Yes.
You know, looking after welfare of maybe I don't know. It's not that I mean I have received so many accolades during my career. Even in private, as I said, कि my bosses were very happy with me. In fact, they kept telling me क्या करोगे सरकार में जाके क्या करोगे सरकार में जाके. But then I mean that was my choice. But then ठीक है ना उसमें कुछ भी कर सकते
I mean, you
हो.
did great.
Thank you. I mean, I hope so. Because one thing is कि see, I always try to learn from others. मुझे कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि मुझे सब कुछ आता है. Which many of us have this attitude. I still call up my juniors who are in service. If I am not able to understand something about IT or something, I call them. जरा बताओ इसका
So
क्या
you
है
didn't
ना?
behave like a boss lady. No.
I never. Maybe that's why I was popular.
Yes, see, whenever you are, whatever you are, people remembers your behavior, your humbleness towards them.
Yes.
So that is the only thing I think. And with that note, I would like to end this session. It was so nice to have you, ma'am.
Thank
you so much, everybody. And if you have any question, you can just drop down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching me. Thank you.